You have tasks in one app, goals in another, habits on a sticky note, and your calendar somewhere else. A personal dashboard puts everything on one screen. I'm going to build one in Notion from scratch in under 7 minutes, and you can duplicate it for free. A Rescue Time study found that the average knowledge worker switches between apps 300 times per day across 5 or more productivity tools. Every switch costs cognitive energy. A personal dashboard eliminates app switching for your core daily workflow by pulling everything into one view. One tab, one glance, full picture. Open Notion and create a full-width page called Dashboard. Add 3 columns using the column block. Left column is your daily driver, tasks and calendar. Center column is your weekly view, projects and priorities. Right column is your long game, goals and habits. This layout mirrors how your brain processes time. Today, this week, this quarter. Everything you need, nothing you don't. In the left column, create a linked view of your tasks database, filtered to show only items due today or overdue, sorted by priority. Set it as a list view, not a table. You want minimal friction. Add a checkbox property so you can mark tasks done directly from the dashboard. This widget replaces opening a separate task manager. You see what's due the moment you open Notion. In the center column, add a linked view of your projects database as a board view grouped by status. Keep only 3 status columns: active, on hold, and review. You can see every active project status at a glance. Click into a project, and you see its linked tasks. This replaces status update meetings. The board is always current if your team updates it. In the right column, create a simple database called Goals with properties for the goal name, target date, and a progress bar using a number property displayed as a bar. Below it, add a habits database with a checkbox for each day of the week. Keep it to 5 habits maximum. This section is your accountability mirror. You'll see exactly what you're building and whether you're showing up for it. At the very top of the dashboard, add a call-out block with the heading Quick Capture. This is where you dump ideas, links, and thoughts throughout the day. Below it, add a toggle for Daily Note, where you write your top 3 priorities each morning. The capture box prevents ideas from getting lost. The Daily Note forces intention. Together, they take 30 seconds and set the tone for your day. Set this dashboard as your Notion homepage by right-clicking it and selecting Set as Home. On your computer, pin the Notion tab or set it as your browser startup page. On mobile, add a Notion widget to your home screen pointing to this page. The dashboard only works if it's the first thing you see. If it takes 2 clicks to find, you'll stop using it within a week. 1 page, 3 columns, everything in one view. I linked the exact template in the description. Duplicate it to your Notion workspace for free. Subscribe for weekly Notion builds that actually get used.